Check you have all the front and back covers. Turn back the front cover. Connect the round discs to the middle elastic straps. Connect steel hooks to the bottom elastic straps. Rear seat covers preparation. Hold on front cover through the headrest. Zip the zippers on the shoulder, both left and right sides. Push the round discs into the gap. Hook the steel hooks underneath the base. Avoid electric wires. Install cushion for seat head. Clasp the plastic buckle. Install the outer front seat the same way. Front finished. Choice 1. No need to remove the rear seats. Secure the elastic band at the bottom of the seat. Push the round discs into the gap. Push the round discs into the gap. Use foam. Choice 2. Remove the rear seats. Raise the bench. Connect the round discs to the elastic straps. Push the round discs into the gap. Push the round discs into the gap. Clasp the plastic buckle. Back seat finished. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the DIY.